I am convinced that people on TikTok talking about ADHD are full of shit.
Here are some more things that I do that can be perceived as rudeness.
Now, before we start, understand that I have ADHD. Well, I was diagnosed with ADHD, and I pretty much got the track record to prove it. I can't explain myself. I can't explain what I am. You get what I'm saying? I have ADHD. The way I see the world, I'm man. If I'm not even on Earth. I'm not even on Earth. You get me? I'm not on Earth. That's neither here nor there. My daddy used to tell me shit like, "Uh oh, he thinking again." That's why I'm at. That's why I'm at. I told you I failed the fucking fourth grade, but the teacher that got me next didn't want me in her class so bad that she placed me in the fifth grade. To this day, you never know I flunked the fourth grade. You don't know it. I just went to school one day and I was in the fifth grade all of a sudden. She didn't want me in her class.
Number one is tone of voice. Sometimes my tone comes across as rude or sharp or too much, and it's something I'm trying to work on, to be honest.
One of the reasons why I hate videos talking about ADHD is because it just sounds like excuses. Excuses. You get what I'm saying? Like, and it's not just excuses. It's like uh setups for incoming events. It's like setups for incoming events, like disclaimers. I'm ADHD. Remember that? Remember I told you if I get loud, I told you I just don't know how. I'm working on it. ADHD. Oh, get out of here.
And this is down to the fact that I find it harder to regulate my emotions.
Excuses, excuses. I can't regulate my emotions. I'm ADHD. Remember that? Remember I told you that? We talked about this. Remember?
But I will say, just because a tone comes across in a way that you don't like, that doesn't mean that the truth still isn't the truth. What I'm saying is probably still facts.
We'll cross that bridge when we get there, sir.
Number two is being late. And this comes across as rudeness because people think that I don't value their time, when in reality, I actually hate being late.
Then don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be late. You get me? Like more excuses. More excuses. I'm going to be late, but don't forget, I got ADHD. Remember I told you?
And this stems from an issue called time blindness.
Excuses and words. Time blindness. What does that mean? I can't see time. I'm sorry. You need to fix that. I swear for God, some of y'all would have been the kids that would have got thrown off that cliff in Sparta.
So in most cases, I'll either be really early or really late. And time blindness is a lot deeper than it looks. There's times like I've literally stayed up all night rather than sleeping because I've had something in the morning and I didn't want to miss it. And the only way for me to guarantee that is staying up.
For the record, I think insomnia is stupid. I just think you don't know how to sleep. That's just what that is. And I don't care about what you see time as. I don't care. I don't care what you see when you see time. I don't care if you can't see time. Get to work on time.
So yeah, the lateness is not me being rude. It's just time blindness.
Still rude. Still rude. With a word. Rude. With a reason.
Number three is pattern recognition. For me, I pick up on inconsistencies, red flags, energy shifts very, very quickly.
Says who? You? You say that?
And that coupled with having a strong sense of justice makes me call things out straight away. People think we're being rude,
There go that word again.
we're trying to stir the pot or we're paranoid, but in reality, I've seen the way somebody's gonna move before they've even shown their true colors. And then a couple months down the line, everybody notices that I was right.
Now you just sound like everybody else who talk about ADHD. I swear it's the same fucking thing. Y'all say the same fucking. You don't got no fucking ADHD.
And what they call drama is just pattern recognition. Number four is me saying I know it before you even finish your sentence. And this isn't arrogance or rudeness. This is just my brain already seeing where you're going. So I'm just saving you some breath. I'm saving me some time. And I'll just say that I know.
A loaf of bread, a container of milk, and a stick of butter. A loaf of milk, a container of bread, and a Joe Dirt DVD. a Joe Dirt DVD, Scarlett Johansson, and Treasure from a Fish Tank.
It's just that my brain is moving faster than the conversation, so let's get straight to the point.
You know, I can agree that that is possible. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I did the anticipation thing. I believe that anticipation is key. So I learned how to anticipate people's conversation. You get me? See where they was going, and yeah, you can do that, but it really depends on how much experience you have, who you know, where you been, how much information you filled in your head. Okay, so
Number five is mood swings that look like they come out of nowhere. One minute I'm fine, the next minute I'm not. And this is basically just overstimulation. Too much noise, too many things going on at once, and my nervous system just hits a wall. And
again, all it sounds like you have a personal problem. That's just what it sounds like, and it has nothing to do with me. And I'm not finna waste my time trying to figure out if you're diagnosed with ADHD before I make my decision or judgment on you. You get me? You need to fix that within yourself. You noticed what happened when people when you do these things, then you can fix it. You can fix it unless you don't want to.
it manifests through my mood. And this does pass, it's never personal, it's just sensory overload. And if this sounds like you, this might just be the missing piece to the puzzle to you kind of understanding what's going on within yourself. You don't have a problem, your brain just works a little bit differently, that's all.
And if you're not sure if you have ADHD, just call this hotline 1-800, it could be you. And just ask them more questions, and we will give you a whole bunch more answers that you can use to diagnose yourself with ADHD. Because I'm sure you